left behind in the good old days, they just keep on coming. Yeah, we're moving on. Got the world with me and no place I'd rather be than rolling.
Hey guys, we're in Tennessee. It's freezing, so we turned on our furnace and it's making a noise. Shaking the sign, shaking the bus.
Look, it's very loud in here.
Well, that's where it's at. It's behind this.
Oh.
So it's rattling. So what I'm gonna go do is open up the furnace, open up the fan.
We're gonna turn that off.
I'm gonna hopefully fix it. Yeah, I'm not gonna work on it when it's on. But now I'm gonna go outside, figure out why our motor is sounding like a diesel truck. My fan is a rattle. All right. Not much room to work. This thing was rattling. Now I gotta figure out how to get into it. And, looks like I need flathead. And then the sail switch goes down in there. Done that before. Okay, ready. Now you guys see what that was doing, but it's definitely that blower fan missing a chunk. And so I'm gonna take that apart, find out the model number, and get that on order. That way, hopefully we can have some heat because it's supposed to get down freezing. I try to order this fan blade. Alright, so the new blower motor fan came in yesterday. Right here. Got the little snap ring with it. And now I gotta try to go put it on. Only problem is it's 28 degrees today. Just a quick little guide how to replace a blower fan on a furnace in a motorhome.